So you've seen my unboxing of the Nike ACRONYM Prestos. They're my grails, they fit really well, and I've got nothing but love for them. But since I'm all about that custom fashion, I'm already going to start customizing these ACRONYM Prestos in this video. But we're starting small. We're only going to change 3 things. The first part we'll be changing are the laces. We're swapping out the stock black laces for these Volt green ones. I like the stealth urban ninja look that these afford, but I need to stand out a little bit more than that. And neon laces on muted colorways have worked really well for me before, so I see no harm carrying them over to the ACRONYM Prestos. Also, apart from these Volt green laces, I've also got an orange peel pair. Maybe I will mismatch them sometimes. I got these from Shopee for just 66 pesos, or just a little bit more than $1. Next, we're going to add lace locks, for 2 reasons. One, the stock Presto laces are very long, and my Volt laces are at standard length, so I doubt that I'll be able to tie these up once they're on. Second is, none of that matters. Laces are only for show on the ACRONYM Prestos, since your main way to get in and out of the shoes are through the zippers at the back. So I'll lace these up with the shorter Volt laces and lock them in place with a black lace lock. I got these from Shopee as well, 150 pesos for 5 pairs. That comes in at around $3. And lastly, since I will be wearing and walking around in these a lot, we're going to change out the slippery leather insoles with a pair of Accesories Walk 500 full gel insoles. The stock insoles just don't cut it for me. The foam is really nice and padded, but they're covered in leather, and they offer very little grip. The Accesories Walk 500 gels on the other hand are way softer and have a cloth surface for my socks to stick to. I walk a lot every day, so these are really going to help with comfort. I got these from Decathlon for 350 pesos, or around $7. Those are the 3 things we're changing today. Let's go do them. First step, remove the old laces. Like I said before, the stock Presto laces are super long. There. Now that the laces are off, we've got extended access to the inside. So the next step is to replace the leather insole with the new Accesories Walk 500 gel insoles. They have a sticky back to help adhere to the inside of the shoe. There. That's better. Now that the insoles are in, let's get our Volt laces and tie it up. I am doing the laces very loose on these because I need to get it into all the cage fingers before I close them up with the lace lock. There you go. That's way better. Let's see them on feet. Oh yeah, that pop of Volt color really does the trick for me. The silhouette isn't changed, but the overall styling really works. I see this pairing well with dark color pants or socks and bright shirts. Not to mention these gel insoles. Wow, they really changed the feel of the Prestos. They're way more comfortable now and they've got more grip to my socks. Overall, I'm very happy with the improvements. Please note that this is just part 1 of my customization of my Nike ACRONYM Prestos. I'm still thinking of the next parts to change. But expect that I will be painting the swoosh on the lateral side. I really think that Nike or ACRONYM should have painted it white, just to have it stand out a little. But anyway, that's part 1 of my Nike ACRONYM Presto customization. What do you think of them? Let me know in the comments. My previous video was my unboxing of the World Balance Court Legend 2.0 basketball sneakers. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.